Amid rising cases of coronavirus, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya today held a review meeting and advised states to stay alert and be prepared for COVID-19 management. In the meeting with state health ministers and principal and additional chief secretaries held virtually, Mansukh Mandaviya also stressed on identifying emergency hotspots by monitoring trends. He also urged state health ministers to conduct mock drills in all hospital infrastructure on April 10th and 11th. Well, let's go across to Tanushri for more on this story. And Tanushri, the number of COVID cases reported in the last 24 hours was over 6,000 and it has led to a certain amount of concern. Tell us more about what happened during this meeting, and also, are masks expected to be back anytime soon?
Well, first of all, the one question which everybody wants an answer for, that whether masks have been made mandatory or not. Masks have not been made mandatory in any of the states in the country. It's optional. But having said that, Mansukh Mandaviya, the health minister, has very categorically said that if anybody is having influenza-like symptoms, that person should definitely maintain social distancing and also should wear a mask. And if you are in a crowded place, needless to say, you should always be masked up. Now, yes, you are absolutely right. In the last 24 hours, the COVID cases, the new fresh COVID cases have been recorded at 6,050 Gargi, and that's almost a 13% increase from the last 24 hours, and which is precisely has become a major concern for the health department. And that's why all the health ministers of all the states have been asked to carry out a mock drill so that they can check whether all the hospitals are equipped with enough oxygen beds or not, and all the hospitals have enough oxygen saturation or not. Mansukh Mandaviya has very categorically said that there needs to be one process and one protocol, which is track, treat and vaccinate, and other to COVID appropriate protocols. Even if there are weddings taking place, even if there are election rallies taking place, all the people have been asked to maintain a COVID appropriate behavior and to mask up whenever in a crowded place. So that is the protocol as of now which has been given. All the states, as you rightly mentioned, have been asked to ramp up their COVID preparedness, to check the hospital if the hospitals and the infrastructure have all the kind of beds to to support the viral load in case we get to witness that in the days to come. So as of now, nothing to worry. All the health departments are keeping a very close eye on the COVID numbers. Testing and tracking have been expedited. The genome sequencing have been expedited in all the states, and all the states have been asked to keep a track of how many oxygen beds and how many hospital beds they have at the moment. But as of now, masks have not been made mandatory, but people have been advised to mask up whenever in a crowded place. Back to you.